Let's take a look at how to build a locations hierarchy in the RCM cost module. If you already have a project open or have existing project data, we can clear it out by creating a new project. To do that, you can go to the File, New Project menu option, or select the New Project toolbar button. Once I have my new project, I can give it a project ID by simply double-clicking on the root node of the project tree control. To begin constructing the locations hierarchy, I'll select the locations node in the project tree control. I can add a new location by selecting the Add Resource Location menu option, the Add Location toolbar button, or by right-clicking the locations node and selecting Add Location from the context menu. When I select to add a location, a pop-up dialog will appear asking me to describe the properties of this new location. I will generally want to give it an ID and a description. The ID must be unique and is auto-assigned based on its position in the hierarchy, but can be changed by the user. The description is optional but recommended. When I select OK, the new location will appear in the project tree control under the Locations node. I can continue to add new locations in similar fashion, either as siblings of that existing location, by again selecting the Locations node and adding a new location, or as children of that node by selecting a node and selecting Add Locations. It will add a new child node underneath the current selection. Remember that locations are always added based on my current selection in the project tree control. New locations will always be added as children of the selection. Note that the ID is again assigned based on its position in the hierarchy. The new child location takes the name of the parent, adds a decimal point, and then an auto-incremented number based on the existing number of children. Again, I can also continue to add new siblings or continue building the hierarchy down. RCM cost allows you to create an arbitrary number of levels of indenture. So this could represent, say, a system, subsystem, equipment, components, and subcomponents. The general recommendation is that the lowest level of the locations hierarchy represents the level at which maintenance tasks are performed. Items in the locations hierarchy can be moved using cut and paste or drag and drop, or duplicated using copy and paste. For instance, if I have two very similar systems, I might want to build a second one based on the first one using copy and paste. I can either use the copy and paste toolbar buttons, the edit menu, the right-click context menu, or the standard keyboard shortcuts Control-C and Control-V to copy items in the hierarchy. Note that when I copy and paste, the entire structure is assigned a new name. Structures in the location hierarchy can be collapsed and expanded by clicking the minus or plus sign next to the node.